Hey guys, Candida here, and recently we had a stray cat give birth to 5 kittens underneath my she shed. I'm not necessarily a cat person, but I have tried to take care of the mama and make sure that the babies were taken care of until we can find them a home. Part of that was it's been exceptionally cold where I live, and I've been worried about the cats staying warm and all of that, and so I actually bought them a warming bed on Amazon. This warming bed has a removable cover, and so I am able to take the cover off by unzipping it and throwing it in the washing machine. What also attracted me to the warming bed was the fact that the cord itself is chew resistant. And so it has a metal barrier on the outside wrapped around the cord, and so I don't have to worry about the kittens chewing on the cord. The mat itself is actually based on weight, and so when the kittens get on it, it will start warming up accordingly. When they get off, it automatically turns off. And I must admit, the kittens love it. Every time I come out, I always have at least 1 or 2, if not all 5 kittens laying on it. So I hope you found this review helpful.